HD Atmospheres and Environments library is a high-definition set of 1,488 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast wave files are fully embedded with metadata, and each HD Atmospheres and Environments hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From South America to Central Asia, city streets to jungle sounds, and shopping malls to howling windstorms, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed. So here we go. The HD Atmospheres and Environments library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The HD Atmospheres and Environments library, available only from Sound Ideas.